If you want to replace clips in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and without rebuilding your whole timeline, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the easiest ways to swap in a new clip while keeping your edit structure intact, so you can update footage fast, stay organized, and keep your timeline looking clean. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first method, because this is the cleanest and most reliable way to do it. Open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the Edit page. In the Media pool, select the new clip that you want to use as the replacement. This is important because DaVinci needs to know exactly which source clip you want to swap into the timeline. By selecting the replacement clip first, you make sure the software is ready to use the correct media when you trigger the command. Next, move your playhead over the existing clip in the timeline that you want to replace. The playhead helps target the exact spot in your sequence where the replacement will happen. If you want the replacement to feel precise, take a second to make sure you're parked over the correct clip and not on an adjacent edit point. That little bit of accuracy will save you from having to undo and try again. Now look at the source viewer and make sure the replacement clip is lined up at the frame where you want it to begin. This is especially useful if your source clip has a specific section you want to insert instead of using the very beginning. Setting the correct source point helps keep timing, motion, and sync consistent, which is especially important when you're working with dialogue, action shots, or music-driven edits. Once everything is lined up, press F11 on your keyboard, or click the Replace Edit button in the toolbar above the timeline. DaVinci Resolve will swap the clip on the timeline with your selected media pool clip, while preserving the original duration in the edit. That means your timing stays intact, your surrounding clips remain in place, and your project continues to flow smoothly without shifting the rest of your sequence. If you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, there's another option you can use. Right-click the clip on the timeline, and look for that Change Occupies Clip option in the contextual menu. This gives you another direct way to replace the selected timeline clip with a compatible clip from the media pool. It's especially useful when you want to work more slowly and visually, or when you're checking that the clip you're about to insert matches the existing edit properly. Now let's talk about the manual drag and drop method, which can be helpful when you want more hands-on control. Select the new clip from the media pool, then drag it directly onto the clip in the timeline that you want to replace. While doing this, hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard. This modifier combination tells DaVinci Resolve that you want to perform a replacement instead of just adding the clip somewhere new. When done correctly, the old clip is overwritten by the new source file, and your timeline stays aligned. This is a great option when you're making quick revisions, updating shots in a rough cut, or swapping in a better version of the same scene. Just make sure you're careful with the target clip, because the replacement will happen directly in place. If your project contains multiple similar shots, zoom in on the timeline first so you can clearly see exactly what you're changing. A good workflow tip is to always double-check the clip you selected before replacing anything. It only takes a second to confirm that you've chosen the right footage, and it can prevent mistakes that would otherwise interrupt your editing flow. Also, if you're working on a larger project, it helps to save a version of your timeline before making major replacements, especially if you're swapping multiple clips at once. So to recap, the main ways to replace clips in DaVinci Resolve 20 are to select the new clip first, position the playhead over the target clip, set the source point, and use Replace Edit with F11. Or use the right-click replacement option, or drag the new clip in while holding Shift and Alt. Each method gives you a fast way to update your edit without rebuilding the timeline from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more easy DaVinci Resolve tips, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.